As we are getting into this upcoming weekend, at least the start is looking on a dry note, but there could be a few passing showers and storms to talk about as we get into the day on Sunday. Here you go for the overnight period tonight, taking us into the beginning of the weekend Saturday morning. Thinking as we're going at least throughout the first half of the day tomorrow, 6, 7 o'clock. There still will be some stubborn cloud cover, but at least we are going to be looking dry. Good news for the International Bridge Walk near the Sioux, as well as the start of National Cherry Festival, or maybe it's just a day where you're getting some yard work done around the house. So overall, we're looking pretty good as we take you into the day on Saturday. Clouds should decrease. That will take us into the afternoon hours by the evening. So at least some sunshine as we are getting right there into the second half of your Saturday. Should be looking pretty good, but things will get a little bit more interesting once we get past the midnight hour into the day on Sunday. Doesn't look like it's going to be a complete washout, but at least a few of these passing showers and storms will be back on the table as early as your Sunday morning, and still something to watch even as we get into your Sunday evening. So if you're doing anything out and about into the second half of the weekend, have a way to check in with the radar. 9 and 10 weather app, a good tool to have in your back pocket. Best chance for the rain into the next 7 days, though, will be aligning as we get late Sunday night into the day on Monday. Live weather stations out there right now. Pickford, a little bit cooler out there with a northwest wind. 58 degrees, your current temperature at this hour. Also checking in with Everts into northern lower, a little bit warmer here with still some low 70s current temperature right now at 73 degrees. Here's where we'll go for the overnight tonight. Still talking about some, we'll call it mild temperatures. A lot of locations back into the 50s. Just a few clouds out there, and clouds will be a little bit stubborn as we are starting off the day tomorrow, at least throughout the morning. Here we go for the temperatures into the day on Saturday. 60s closer to the lake shore, but as you go farther inland, eastern upper tip of the Met, still some more low 70s. South of the Mackinac Bridge, we will add at least a few more degrees, but 70 is going to be fairly common for a lot of us getting into the day tomorrow. Wellston, even near Cadillac, could get a few spots closer to 80 by the time we're getting into the afternoon hours. Northwest wind is going to help to keep us quote-unquote cooler as we're getting into the day tomorrow. So even into the sunrise side, eastern lower, you're still talking about a good range of the mid to upper 70s by the time we're reaching the afternoon. If we do happen to work in a few more low 80s, we'll find that into some of our central counties getting into the day tomorrow. Still near Lake Michigan, a few mid-70s there from Ludington to Shelby, Hart. Farther inland areas from Clare, Harrison, even towards Everett. Could talk about some low 80s getting into the afternoon hours of your Saturday. Sunday's going to be the warmest day we talk about into the next 7. Check out those numbers. 70s, plenty of 80s. Wouldn't be surprised even if we sneak in a few low 90s by the afternoon. A few passing showers and storms as we get into the day on Sunday, Aaron. Best chance for some rain as we're going into next week by Monday. Drier stretch mid next week. Temperatures not as hot, but still some more 70s.